What's up, family? It's your girl Shayla Niece, and I am back with another video. It is a beautiful, beautiful Sunday morning. Me and my son fell asleep on the couch last night, so I'm just folding my blanket, cleaning my mess. Today is my cleaning day, y'all. I love to wake up and clean, so I'm just gonna wash my face, my hands, use the restroom, do what I gotta do, brush my teeth, wrap my hair, change my clothes, put on my R&B music because it is cleaning day, and I love cleaning day, especially when my house look like this. Give me something to clean. I like to do the kitchen myself on Sunday morning, so I'm going to let my kids sleep while I just tackle all this mess. Yes, it is a mess, okay? This is what the summer's going to be like. Oh, MG, but I'm ready and I'm about to get it done. So I'm just going to put on some music and yeah, y'all just enjoy this video and the music. Yeah, let's deep clean this kitchen. Let's do it. Okay, family, everything is all nice and clean. This took us about 2 hours to clean up the kitchen and the room and the bathroom. Everything is all nice and clean, and now I can go back to where I started my day off, which was on the couch. That's right, I'm about to hit the couch and go to sleep. Thank y'all so much for watching this video. Bye.